So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to channel for the latest job updates, career opportunities. So if you are looking for a data analyst role in top company, you are in the right place because today we have an amazing opportunity at HP for a data analyst positions, and I will walk you through the job details, requirements, and how you can apply. So stay tuned till the end to know all the details, including responsibilities and some of the pro tips to land into this wonderful role. So job overview, as you can see, is our position is of a data analyst, and the location they have mentioned as these three locations, that Greece and Mexico, including India, which is in Bangalore, and it's a full-time opportunity, and salary you're going to get best in industry. So last date to apply they have not mentioned, so you can just apply from the link that we will be mentioning in the description. But before that, let's understand more about the role. HP is basically hiring for a data analyst to work in the GTM Advanced Analytic Visualizing team. You'll be responsible for building dashboards, analytic solutions to help sales and marketing teams make data-driven decisions. And the key responsibilities of this role is going to be, as you can see over here, they have mentioned over here. Yeah, so it will be something like supporting stakeholders with high quality visualizations and insights. Plus, we'll be designing, developing, and maintaining dashboards for decision makings. And plus, you will be participating in Agile and Scrum development process. Along with that, you will also ensure compliance with data policies and security guidelines. Plus, you'll also have to innovate and integrate new technologies into the visualization space. So these all are going to be your kind of roles and responsibilities once you join HP as data analyst. So now let's directly jump to the required skill sets. So as you can see over here, job requirement, you must have the strong analytical and business modeling skills. Plus, you should be technical expertise in Power BI, DAX function basically a function inside Power BI. If you learn Power BI, you will get to know all this stuff. And if you want to learn in-depth data analytics series, you can subscribe to our other channel, Forge Tech, for the which we will be mentioning link in description. And also, other requirements is that you must have the SQL and advanced Excel experience, including automations and all that. If you're a fresher, also you can apply, but you must have this necessary skill sets. Plus, you should have the knowledge of Python programming language, plus basic understanding of Git, CI/CD pipeline, SSIS, big data analytics knowledge as well. Plus, you must have the growth mindset and ability to understand business needs. So these all are the kind of job requirements that they have mentioned over here. So if you have any of these skills or all of these skills, this is going to be a great career move for you. And how you can apply? So just check for the direct link in descriptions and apply as soon as possible. So, pro tip I would like to give a little bit here, that you try to customize your resume with the relevant keywords from the job description that you can mention, see over here. For example, try adding this type of skills, CI/CD, Git, Power BI, and you can write some tax functions in Power BI, big data technologies like Hadoop and all. So, if you add all these skills, the chances of getting shortlisted will increase for sure. And that's it. If this opportunity excites you, go ahead and apply now. Also, share this video with your friends who might be looking for a data analyst role in top company. And also, you can join our community for job updates and free certification courses. For a link for both of our WhatsApp and Telegram communities will be mentioning in the description. So do check out that as well. And also subscribe to our channel for daily job updates and tech tutorials, because we are bringing tech tutorials in depth data analytics series that I mentioned, with 20 plus hands-on projects in our other channel, which is Sports Tech. So subscribe to that channel as well if you have not done till now, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out any update from our end. Like, share this video, and comment below if you have any questions related to this job or any other job as well. So that's it. For let me know in the comment section. We will be more than happy to help you guys. So that's it. See you in the next video.